You came to me one summer night, and from your beam you made my dream, and from the world you said, my girl,